Bloody hell. This road isn't very nice. Bloody Jesus Christ. Oh, I like that crackle. Snap, crackle and pop. Baby. But yeah, after that motorway stint, I'm fit as a bloody fiddle, man. I don't feel like I'm aching, my back isn't hurting, my knees aren't hurting too much. The tops of my knees where my joints are just hurt anyway, so such a nice bike. I'm very, very glad I made the move, because I think I'd always be wondering, you know, I'd always be like, should I, shouldn't I? But here we are, and I'm very glad about the choice I made. Hey, Rocket Boy! Rocket Man! Nice. Right, if I click cancel, I don't want you to pop back up again. Are we recording? I don't know. Yeah, we are. Hello. Recording. Yeah, if I want, there should be an option there really. If you want the sat nav to go off, it shouldn't just pop back up again. Maybe there is, and I'm being stupid, but I don't think so. Let's all go to pub. There's the river Mersey. Hey! Oh, I love this bike so fucking much. Oh, this has changed a lot since I've been here last. Good God. Okay. I absolutely love this thing. It's just a beautiful bike. If you didn't know, the front brake on this is linked to the rear. Oh, was I in the wrong lane then? I think I was, you know. Oops. Yeah, it's got linked braking system, this bike, so whenever you pull the front in, it pulls the rear as well. I don't know, it feels a bit weird. Yeah, like I want this sat-nav not to keep popping up like that. Yeah, speed cameras here, so take it easy. Yeah, I went to college here. I went to college just down there, actually. Pretty fond memories, you know. From coming out of high school into college, it's a massive difference, and I enjoyed it a hell of a lot more. I hated high school. High school was shit, but it just feels weird to think how long ago high school was now. You know, how has it gone so quick? Like years now, like the past 5 years have just absolutely flown by. Absolutely flown by. Hello, it's very nice that. Yeah, when they start developing things for this bike, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at oh come on mate, is I'm going to look at getting some rear sets, because I think I can get a nice grip of the tank and get a better grip of the tank at least if my legs were further up a little bit. Hoorah! And this is Stockton Heath, full of posh. This is like where all the footballers hang out. This, you know, Man City and United players, they all come round here. It's like the Holmes Chapel, if you know Holmes Chapel. It's like the Holmes Chapel of Warrington, really. Oh yeah, Happy New Year! This is going to be out way after New Year. It's New Year's Eve today. I can guarantee this is going to be way past New Year at this point, but best wishes to you and your families anyway. I hope next year is better than this year, because for me personally, it's been one of the toughest. You know, I went to the cinema the other day and watched the new Spider-Man. Cracking film. Go and watch it. I mean, I grew up with Spider-Man, with Tobey Maguire's Spider-Man, and the cartoon series and stuff, and the original X-Men cartoons on Cartoon Network and shit like that. And and it was really good to go and watch that stuff. No spoilers or anything, but it was a very, very good film. But even then, I felt like I shouldn't be going to the cinema. I felt like guilty about going to the cinema, even though we're meant to be fucking out of this bullshit. Well, say out of it. We have to learn to live with COVID, that's the problem. We've got to eventually learn to live with it. You know, my family have had it, my mum, dad, my sister have all had it. I somehow have managed to not have it. Although I'm convinced that I have had it. I might have to get an antibody test done, but I'm convinced that I have had it. I actually went out, you know, trying to get it at one point, just so I could get it over with, because I'm sick of the fear that everyone's got around it still. And with Omicron as a thing now, it's like everyone's now scared again, and they're asking for boosters. It's like, for fuck's sake, man, when does it end? Anyway, we're not going to get too far into that bullshit. That's where I passed my test, down there to the right. Lamb's Motorcycles, fantastic people. I'll have to tell you about the test passing days at some point, because they were awful. It was really bad. I failed like I failed twice with one instructor who was an absolute bleep arsehole. Ow, my eye, fuck. He was just a whopper, mate. He was an idiot. I went to that instructor at Lamb's and passed straight away. So just go to prove, get someone that believes in you and positive reinforcement, rather than telling you you're a dickhead. But I'll do a video about that, actually, you know, about, you know, watching out for certain instructors, because it can massively put you off. Oh, yeah, I'm feeling fine, man. The seat's comfy enough. I've just mentally noted, as I've said that, is the seat actually comfy, and I think it's alright, you know. I've not got that much of a dead arse, to be honest. My legs are a little bit stiff. I could do with, you know, just getting off a 5, but quite happy with that, you know. If I could lift my legs up under the tank a bit more, it's a lot easier to grab the tank. Oh, everyone loves my bike, and I love my bike. I love you, darling. And that's it, folks. I shall see you again very, very soon, I'm sure. And until the next time, sort 'em out.